Dear student, welcome to Connecting Smart Education online classes. Our chapter is fraction and decimals. In exercise 2.1 to 2.4, we are attending the question of fraction. Now exercise is 2.5. The part is decimal. Now we learn about the decimal numbers. Question number first. Which is greater? There are two numbers. In decimal number, we can add any zeros in our right side. In decimal number, we can add many zeros. So this is our 0.50 and 0.05. This is 0.50, 0.05. In this part, this is our integer. The integer is equal 0 and 0. Now we comparing decimal. Decimal is 5. Here is 0. So 5 is greater. Now directly you can say that 0.5 is greater. 0 and 0 is equal 5 and 0. Now 5 is more than 0, so this digit is greater. Now in this number 0, 0 which are equal, then in decimal part 5, 7 and 5, 7 is greater, so 0.7 is greater. Now in this number we can write as 7.0. 7.0 in decimal number. 7 is an integer number. We can write in decimal number 7.0. Here integer part is 7, integer part is 0. Which is greater? 7 greater or 0 greater? 7 is greater. So 7 is greater. Now in this question, integer part 1 and 1 which is equal. In decimal part 3 and 4, 4 is greater, so 1.49 is greater. In this number, integer part 2 and 2 is equal. Now in decimal 0 and 3, 3 is greater, so 2.30 is greater. Now in this question, 0 and 0 is equal, 8 and 8 is equal. Now here is no one digit, so we can write a 0 here. If there absent any digit, we can write a 0 before them. So 0.80, 0.88. Now 8 and 8 equal, 0 and 8. This is greater. So 0.88 is greater. Now take beginning from the question. Which is greater? In this is our integer part, this is our decimal part. First of all, we compare integer part. Integer part 0 and 0 is equal. In decimal part 5 and 0, 5 is greater. So 0.5 is greater. In this number, integer part is equal 0 and 0. In decimal part 7 and 5, 7 is greater, so 0.7 is greater. In this question, integer part is 7, integer part is 0, so 7 is greater. Integer 7 is greater, 7 is greater. In this question, integer part 1 and 1 is equal. Now decimal part 3 and 4, 4 is greater, so 1.49 is greater. In this question, integer part 2 and 2 is equal. Now 0 and 3, 3 is greater, so 2.30 is greater. In this question, 0 and 0 equal, 8 and 8 equal, they are absent of any digit, so we can add 0. Now 0 and 8 is greater, so 0.88 is greater. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 2. Express as rupees using decimal. We have to convert paise in rupees. So we know that 1 rupees equal to 100 paise. So for converting paise to rupees, we will divide by 100. We will divide by 100. So 7 paise is equal to 7 upon 100 rupees. Now here is 2 zeros, so we will add 2 decimal points. One is here, another is, so this can be written as 07 upon 100 rupees. Now you can add 0 in our left hand side of integer part, not right hand side, left hand side of integer part. Now 1 2 zeros, 1 and 2 decimal point, so this can written as 0.07 rupees. In another question, 7 paise is equal to 7 by 100 rupees is equal to 0.07 rupees in our previous question. So 7 rupees plus 7 paise is equal to 7 plus 7 rupees is 7 paise is 0.07. Now we adding the number, integer will add with integer, integer will add with integer, and decimal will add with decimal. So integer part 7 and 0, 7 plus 0 is equal to 7, decimal part is 7.07. The answer is rupees. Now in our next question, 77 paise is equal to, when we converting it into rupees, we will divide by 100. Now 77 divide by 100, which convert in rupees. 2 zeros, so here comes 2 decimal points, 1 and 2. So this is 0.77 rupees. Our question is 77 rupees, then 77 paise is equal to, 77 rupees is 77. Now 77 paise is 0.77. Integer will add with integer, so answer is 77.77. Now 50 paise, the paise will convert into rupees by dividing 100. This is our rupees. 10 and 10 can cut. Now 10 will convert it into 1 decimal point, so this is our 0.5 rupees. The next is 235 paise, which will be divide by 100 to convert rupees. 20 means 2 decimal point, 1 and 2. From left hand side we will count 1 and 2. This is our answer, 2.35 rupees. Now take beginning from this question, express as rupees using decimals. Now 7 paise, rupees and paise having a relation, 1 rupees equal to 100 paise. So we will convert paises into rupees by dividing 100. Now question is 7 paise. So in rupees 7 divided by 100, 20 means 2 decimal points will be comes. So 7 can written as 07, not 70, integer part. So this is 07. Now 00 is 2 decimal point, 1 and 2. Now this is 0.07 rupees. 7 rupees 7 paise. First of all 7 paise, 7 upon 100 rupees. Answer comes from previous question 0.07. Now this question is 7 rupees then 7 paise, which will be plus. 7 rupees is 7, 7 paise is 0.07. Now for adding these, integer will add with integer. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. Now 0.07. The addition can come also in this term. 7 add with 0.07. This is our question. So 7 can written as 7.00. 7 is integer, decimal points are absent, so this will be 00. Decimal points are absent, so this will be 00. Now 707. Answer is 7.07. In our next question, 77 rupees 77 paise. 77 paise will convert by dividing 100. 20 comes 2 decimal point, 1 and 2. Now this is 2, 0.77. Now question is 77 rupees plus 77 paise. 77 rupees is 77, 77 paise is 0.77. 77 add with 0.77. The decimal points are absent, so we will add decimal point with 00, 77.00. Now addition 7, 7, 7 and 7. The answer is 77.77. Now next question is 50 paise. 50 paise. Dividing by 100, 1 0 can cut. Here remaining is 1 0. So we will convert a decimal point. So this is our 0.5 rupees. Now 235 paise. Divide by 100. Now 2 decimal point will be added, 1 and 2. Here decimal point will come, 2.35 rupees. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is express 5 centimeter in meter. First of all, 5 centimeter in meter. What is the relation between meter and centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter will be 1 by 100 meter. So when we convert a centimeter into meter, we will divide by 100. Now 5 centimeter is equal to 5 by, in meters divide by 100. So here is 2 zeros, so we can written as 5 is 0.5. 0.5 means 5 upon 100 meter. Now here is 20. We will add a decimal point 1 and 2 here. Here the decimal points will come. Now next question is 5 centimeter in kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. When any meter number will convert to kilometer, will divide by 1000. Meter will convert kilometer by dividing 1000. Here meter is 5 centimeter is equal to 0.05 meter is equal to, when we convert it into kilometer, we will divide by 1000. 0.05 upon 000. Now in decimal part we can add here zeros and here zeros. So we will add zeros here. 0.05 upon 1000. Now this is 0 can written as 0000, then decimal point 05. Here in division part, in denominator we having 3 zeros, so the decimal point will shift by 3 numbers. The decimal point will shift here. The decimal points will shift to here 1, 2, 3. So answer is 0.00, then 0, then 0, then 5 kilometer. So complete answer is 5 centimeter is equal to 0.05 meter is equal to, in kilometer, 0.00005 kilometer. This is our solution. Now in next question, 35 mm in centimeter, meter and kilometer. Now mm, millimeter and centimeter relation. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So mm will convert into centimeter by dividing 10. Mm will convert into centimeter by dividing 10. So 35 mm is equal to 35 divided by 10. 35 mm is equal to 35 divided by 10, which convert into centimeter. 1 0 will add 1 decimal point, so 35 mm is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now centimeter and meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 3.5 centimeter is equal to 3.5. We will convert to meter by dividing 100. Now we can add zeros. This type 3 can written as 03. So we will write 003. Now here in denominator there are 2 zeros, so decimal point will shift by 2 numbers. So the number is 0.035 meter. This is our 35 mm is equal to 3.5 centimeter is equal to 0.35 meter. Now meter and kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So here is 0.035 meter will convert into kilometer by dividing 1000. Here is 10, so we will take this. Now there are 3 zeros, so the decimal point will shift by 3 digits. 0.00035 kilometer. The final answer is 35 mm, 3.5 centimeter, 0.035 meter is equal to 0.000035 kilometer. So now take beginning from this question, express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. First of all, we will know that the meter and centimeter relation. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So centimeter can convert into meter by dividing 100. Now question is 5 centimeter. Answer is written as meter. So we will divide by 100. Now we can add zeros at left side. We can add zeros at our left side. So 0.5 is equal to 5. No digit will be changed. Here is 2 0, so we will add 2 decimal points, 1 and 2 here, 0.05 meter. Now in kilometer, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So meter will convert into kilometer by dividing 1000. Our question is 5 centimeter is equal to 0.05 meter. Now this number will convert into kilometer. This number will convert into kilometer by dividing 1000. Now this is our integer 0, can written as 0.0000. Decimal part is 0.05 upon 1000. 1000 means 1 2 3 3 zeros. So decimal point will shift by 3 digits, 1 2 3. Here came decimal point, then 0.0000, 4 times 0, 1 2 3 4, then 5 kilometer. This is our answer. Next is express 35 mm into centimeter, meter and kilometer. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, 10 mm. So mm will convert into centimeter by dividing 10. Question is 35 mm. So 35 by 10. Here is a 10, so we will add a decimal point. Now in meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So centimeter will convert into meter by dividing 100. Question is 3.5 centimeter. Answer in meter, so we will divide by 100. In integer part we can add zeros, so we add zeros. Now there are in denominator 2 zeros, so decimal point will shift by 2, 1 and 2. Here came the decimal point. Now next is kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So meter will convert into kilometer by dividing 1000. The question is this, divide by 1000, answer in kilometer. Here integer part is 0, we can written as 0.0000. The decimal part is 0.35. The decimal part remain unchanged. We cannot change the decimal part. In integer part, at left side we can add zeros. Now in denominator we having 3 zeros, so decimal point will shift by 3 numbers, 1 2 3. Here came the decimal point, so 1 2 3 4, 4 times 0, 1 2 3 4, then 3 and 5, 3 and 5. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. So students, our next question is question number 4, express in kg. question in gram, answer will be in kilogram. So gram and kilogram relation, we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So gram will convert into kilogram by dividing 1000. The equation is 20 gram. We will convert in kilogram by dividing 1000. 1 0 and 0 can cut. Now 2 0 and 2 decimal point. Here is a single point, so we will take 2 as 002. In integer part, we can add zeros at left side. Now 1 and 2, 1 and 2 here. Here came decimal point 0.02 kg. 20 gram is equal to 0.02 kg. Now our next question is 3470 gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So gram will convert into kilogram by dividing 1000. Question is 3470 gram. The answer is 3470 divided by 1000, then kilogram. 1 0 and 0 can cut. Now 2 0, so 1 and 2 decimal points. The answer is 3.47 kilogram. Now next question is 4 kg 8 gram. Now first of all, 8 gram is equal to 8 divided by 1000 will convert into kilogram. Then we can add zeros in our left side. We can add zeros at our left side. Now there is 1 2 3 3 zeros, so 1 2 3. Here the decimal points will come. 8 gram is equal to 0.008 kilogram. The question is 4 kilogram plus 8 gram. So answer is 4 plus 8 gram will be 0.008 kg. So answer is 4.008 kg. This is our 4 kilogram and 8 gram. Now take beginning from this question. Question number 4, express in kg. The question is gram, answer will be in kilogram. So first of all, we need a relation between gram and kilogram. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So gram will convert into kilogram by dividing 1000. Question is 20 gram divided by 1000. 1 0 and 0 will be cut. Now there is 2 zeros, so 2 decimal point will be needed. Then we add zeros at left side of 2. Now 1 and 2, 1 and 2. From here we will add decimal point 1 and 2 here. Here will become a decimal point. Now 3470 gram will be divided by 1000 to convert in kilogram. 1 0 can cut. Now 1 and 2 decimal point 1 and 2 here. 3.47 kg our answer. 4 kg 8 gram. 8 gram. First of all, 8 gram convert into kilogram by dividing 1000. Here 30, but here is not 3 digits to convert in decimal point. So we will add 3 zeros here. Now 1 2 3 3 zeros, so 3 decimal point will needed. 1 2 3. So here comes our decimal point 0.008. 0.008. The question is 4 kg then 8 gram. 4 kg plus 8 gram. 4 kg is 4, 8 gram is 0.008 kg. 4 plus 0, 4. Integer will add with integer, decimal will add with decimal. So our answer is 4.008 kg. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.